So hello, my name is Miftahul Islam, who has come from Khagachori, and actually I have admitted in English therapy because I was too much weak in my high school life. So I have lots of ambition to come here. Basically, one is learning English and become a good speaker in public transport. Like actually, I was being very nervous whenever I was reading in class 9 and 10. That time I wasn't capable of speaking. So the reason why my parents have decided to send me in English therapy. And in first month, it was totally practice. It was based on totally practice. And we have passed this month with our teacher, those who are very friendly. And right now, we have a good relationship with our first month teacher.